application process, I knew what I wanted, and I wrote it down. I thought I could really do this. I could really make use of this.
It was really nice to, I suppose, get a letter saying, yeah, we're on board with what you're doing, and kind of that, there's a sense of something to work towards.
What I'm doing at the moment could be really perceived as high technical, and I want people to know that at some point, if you want to do something, it's all possible. And I think the art for me has this duty. For me, my duty is about everything is possible, and you can do it if you have the will to do it.
The idea of art is not just something you look at, it's something you experience and are part of. And so the artist has to facilitate that experience in whatever way is possible by bringing people in and making them think kind of around rather than like in a linear kind of way.
One thing that artists can do is shine a light on a situation and just distill it down to something that really makes you think.
If this year is about legacy, and if this year is about kind of representing Ireland in truthful ways, then I think a large part of that, or possibly the most exciting thing to have happened so far this year, is kind of the moment surrounding equality in terms of gender representation and Waking the Feminists. So I mean, I was very excited to see all that happen. And I suppose if I waved my magic wand, say where will we be in 5 years' time, I would love to see, I suppose, kind of a much more diverse artistic ecology on every front.
Revolutionaries, people who stood up against something, who stood up for what they believed in, I think that's something that's crucial in society today, to be honest. Because otherwise, like, what is that phrase? If you don't stand for something, you'll fall for anything.